Hi everyone! Today's recipe is fresh strawberry cheesecake. I hope you enjoy watching this video and I hope you try this delicious recipe. What we need for this recipe is 200 grams of digestive cookies with 50 grams of melted butter. We mix well together. We pour the biscuit mixture in either disposable cups or glass cups and press well and place in the fridge for around half an hour. Meanwhile, we prepare the filling by adding 1 package of cream cheese with half a cup of sugar. We mix well, then add 1½ cups of cream. Squeeze half a lemon and pour the mixture in a piping bag. Pipe over the biscuits, cover with another layer of biscuits, then a layer of the cream cheese. Put in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Prepare the strawberry sauce by adding 2 cups of fresh strawberry with half a cup of sugar and squeeze half a lemon. Boil till reduced in half. Then leave aside to cool before adding them to the cheese. I hope you try this recipe and I hope you enjoy it, and see you next time with a new recipe.